First question po. In what ways do Filipinos' cultural values such as pakikisama or the social harmony and utang na loob po, which is sense of gratitude that shapes the group dynamics and collaboration in Philippines workplaces?
Meron talagang role ng pakikisama because it helps you get along, build rapport. Kasi, especially in the Filipino context, kasi, di ba, we grow up or we were brought up socializing. So parang it's within our nature or culture to socialize in a sense that we ourselves create a relationship with others, diba? So yun as so within the organization, syempre may favors here and there. But I think para sa akin as a newer generation, diba? Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Na a sense of gratitude or utang na loob should be equivalent to what was given, not what was not what is expected in return. So parang ganun. So within our office or organization, within DOL, I would say the utang na loob reaches out to others. Like syempre kami may mga services kami towards people, hindi naman namin ini-expect in return na syempre bayaran kami ganun. Syempre bayad naman kasi kami kasi ginagawa namin yung trabaho namin. Utang na loob also aids pakikisama, but sometimes it's counterintuitive.
Ba, can you cite at least one advantage and at least one disadvantage po of each said cultural values ng utang na loob or pakikisama po?
Okay. Ang advantage talaga niyan, nakaka-build ka ng connections with other people. Nakaka-build ka ng connections, parang hindi naman hate kanila pero yung love kanila pero at least you're likable enough. Parang gano'n. Pero segue papunta sa disadvantage, pag nasobrahan kasi, lumalabas na people pleaser ka na lang. Parang gano'n, yung social harmony. Syempre, pag makikitungo ka sa iba, gano'n, makikisabay ka sa trip nila. Minsan kasi, napapabayaan parang na-blur yung lines in professionalism and professionalism, cordiality, and also like parang personal na lines of gratitude is you know how to repay your debts. Parang you know how to, alam mo na kailangan mo ka mag-return ng favor.
Yes.
It's okay kasi minsan kasi kailangan talaga ng tao ng tulong at ikaw rin as a person, as a human person needs help. Parang gano'n. Advantage talaga, yun na nga. Minsan kasi hindi equal yung hinihingi sa binigay na favor. Parang yung scenario ba na binigyan mo ng kape pero yung ni-expect sa'yo pabalik, libre mo na yung lunch. Parang gano'n. Yung wala kasing sense of gravity kung ano yung limit ng sense of gratitude natin.
So for the last one po, can you briefly discuss how to address any conflict that may arise from identified disadvantages po, yung kanina?
Well, it starts in communication. Kasi communicating, nasan yung limits ng or boundaries mo, professionally or personally, defines that line na nabiblur pag masyado ka nang nakikisama. Parang ganon. So yun, hindi naman sinasabi na, okay, tama na, kasi personal na yan. Hindi naman sinasabi na ganon. Parang sabihin mo lang na, parang i-communicate mo lang na, ganito tayo dapat sa work, pero sa labas, okay lang naman. Same rin with sa office, parang, syempre mas mataas minsan position mo sa iba. Which is understandable na meron kang mga certain requests or tasks na ibibigay kasi that's part of their job description. Knowing your limits and also communicating your limits or boundaries mitigates that disadvantage. Utang na loob, yun nga, again, it stems from communication. Communicating na eto lang pabor ko sa'yo, eto lang dapat ang hingin ko rin sa'yo.
Yes.
Kung ikaw naman yung pinaburan, sasabihin mo na hindi naman ako parang alipin mo na.
Yes.
Alipin mo na to. Di porket na tinulungan mo ako. Hindi naman ganun dapat yan. So communicating na yun rin yung boundaries on or gravity or capacity ng binigay sa'yo na tulong or binigay mo na tulong is will mitigate that. Utang na loob doesn't really necessarily necessarily asks them of a favor in return. Hindi naman ganun palagi. Minsan tumutulong ka lang talaga. Sila na lang nagkakaroon ng sense of gratitude. Yun na yung may sense.
Yes,
so yun.
yes.
So sense of gratitude, huwag kang mag-expect palagi na may something in return sa tulong mo. Because again, especially within our office na government office,
Yes.
hindi namin ini-expect na mga kliyente namin, mga beneficiaries namin na tumulong rin sa amin or magbigay rin ng unequal value.
Yes.
So again, yun na nga, yun, kailangan to mitigate that disadvantage, communicate and also alter our perception of what utang na loob is.